Have you ever wondered what would happen if you handed over the reins of your side hustle to artificial intelligence for an entire day? I mean, not just using AI as a tool, but letting it make every single decision, big or small, without any human interference. It's a wild idea, right? Well, I decided to put this concept to the ultimate test and see what would unfold. That's exactly what I did. I set out to see if AI could truly take over, not just assist, but actually run my side hustle from start to finish. No manual overrides, no last-minute changes, just pure, unfiltered AI decision-making. Every single step of the process, from brainstorming the initial product idea, to designing the website, to even choosing the color palette and writing the product descriptions, was left entirely up to the AI. I watched as it generated ideas, made selections, and pieced together a business plan, all on its own. There were no human tweaks, no second-guessing, and absolutely no stepping in to fix things if they went off track. My only job was to observe and document the process. The challenge was simple. Could AI build a profitable digital product business in just 24 hours, with zero human creativity or intuition involved? I became more of a facilitator than a creator, connecting the outputs from one AI tool to the next, almost like running a digital assembly line. Each tool had its own specialty, and my role was to make sure the handoff between them was seamless. The big question was, could these different AIs actually collaborate to create something meaningful? Could a machine-driven process with no human touch deliver a product that real people would actually want to buy? I was both skeptical and excited to find out. With a 24-hour countdown set, the experiment began. The pressure was on, and I was about to discover just how far AI could go when left completely in charge. For the past few years, I've been deep in the world of Notion templates, designing, building, and selling them online. It's always been a hands-on creative process for me, where every template starts as a spark of inspiration and gets shaped by hours of brainstorming, tweaking, and testing. I've loved the challenge of figuring out what people need, then crafting something that makes their lives easier or more organized. But recently I started wondering, what if I stepped back and let technology take the wheel? This time I decided to hand over the entire process to artificial intelligence. I'm talking about everything. The initial idea, the product name, the copywriting, the graphics, the website, and even a video ad. I wanted to see if AI could not only automate the busy work, but also handle the creative decisions that usually make or break a product. The only rule I set for myself was simple. Whatever the AI came up with, it had to be a Notion template. Beyond that, I was ready to let go of control and see what happened. No creative vetoes, no last-minute tweaks, just following the AI's lead. Even if the results seemed strange, unexpected, or totally out of left field, it was both exciting and a little nerve-wracking to give up the reins. My biggest question was, could AI actually identify a real user pain point and build something people genuinely want? Or would it just churn out another generic template lost in the crowd? So, for the next 24 hours, I was about to hand over my entire Notion business to an AI overlord and watch what unfolded. Would it be a breakthrough, a disaster, or something in between? Let's find out. I picked 5 AI tools for my 24-hour business sprint. ChatGPT 4 handled strategy and all the copy. Canva AI created the logo and graphics. Durable built the website in seconds. For the video ad, I used ElevenLabs for the voiceover and Pictory to generate the visuals. Each tool had a clear role: words, visuals, sight, and video, working together to build a digital product from scratch, with me just connecting the dots. I kicked off my day with a simple prompt to ChatGPT. Give me 10 Notion template ideas. Within seconds, I had a list of creative, practical options, each tailored for different audiences and needs. It was incredible to see how quickly AI could generate ideas that would have taken me hours to brainstorm on my own. This was the spark that set the entire project in motion. The first idea that caught my attention was the Solo Creators Content Hub. This template was designed to help solo creators manage their content pipeline, track sponsorships, and organize their workflow all in one place. I could immediately see its value for freelancers, YouTubers, and anyone juggling multiple projects. I started outlining the features and imagining how it could streamline a creator's daily routine. Next, I asked the AI to help me name the product. After a few suggestions, it landed on Creatorflow OS. The name felt modern, memorable, and perfectly captured the essence of the template: a complete operating system for creators. Naming can be a huge hurdle, but with AI, it became a fun, collaborative process. With the name locked in, I let ChatGPT write all the marketing copy, from the product description to the website headlines. Then I jumped into Canva and used its AI tools to generate a logo and graphics. The process was seamless. Within minutes, I had a cohesive visual identity that looked polished and professional, without hiring a designer. For the website, I turned to Durable, an AI-powered website builder. It generated a full, functional website in under a minute. I was amazed at how quickly it pulled together layouts, sections, and even suggested calls to action. The site looked clean and ready for launch, with almost no manual tweaking required. I plugged in the copy and images I'd created earlier, and the website instantly looked like a real professional product page. It was responsive, visually appealing, and ready to share with the world. The speed and quality of the result genuinely surprised me. For the video ad, I used ElevenLabs to generate a natural-sounding voiceover from my script, and then Pictory matched it with relevant stock footage. The result was a polished, engaging ad that looked like it was made by a professional team, not just one person using AI tools. In just 8 hours, I had gone from a blank page to a fully realized digital product, complete with branding, a website, and a video ad, all built with the help of AI. It was a powerful reminder of how accessible and fast product creation can be today, and how anyone can turn an idea into reality in a single day. I built the Notion template manually, uploaded it, and set up a Gumroad checkout. The AI wrote the launch email and video ad, which I sent to my list and posted online. 147 people visited the site. 3 bought the $29 template. $87 in total. Not life-changing, but impressive for a product that didn't exist that morning. The process was fast and efficient, but the results lacked the spark and deep understanding that comes from human creativity. The experiment proved AI is amazing for speed and breaking creative blocks. In a day, it built a product that was 80% as good as a pro's work, but generic and soulless. The last 20%, the magic, still needs a human touch. My advice: use AI as a partner to do the heavy lifting, then step in to refine, personalize, and connect with your audience. The future is AI and humans working together. Try it. You might be surprised by what you can create.